conversations about real life situations. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
What has given you the most sadness in the last year?
I would have to say the way in which minority publishers, as far as African American publishers, have begun to turn the business of books into just a circus.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I have noticed that people more and more have such a disrespect for traditional publishing. And even though a person may self-publish, there are still traditional publishing standards, whether you're doing it on your own or whether it's going through a major publishing house or a small publishing house. There are just certain standards. Having an ISBN number, having a barcode, copyrighting your book. Also, making sure that if you're contracted with a company to put out your book, that you have read that contract, you know, to know what your rights are and what your rights aren't. And understanding that just because you sell your book to a publisher, it does not mean that it will be out in a month. You know, that contract may say that that book may not be released until up to 18 months. And just because you feel as though now that 12 months has passed and you want the book out now, that you're just going to breach your contract and put it out yourself.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Those are the type of things that are running rampant right now in African American publishing.
Real life conversations about real life situations. Let's talk about